Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can restore it to a specified time from a replicated backup. To restore a DB instance to a specified time from a replicated backup, choose destination region where backups are replicated from a source region. Now we are in a destination region. In the navigation pane, choose automated backups. In the automated backup page, on the replicated backups tab, choose the DB instance that you want to restore. For action, choose restore to point in time. In the restore to point in time page, in the restore time section, choose latest restorable time to restore to the latest possible time, or choose custom to choose your time. Times are shown in your local time zone, which is indicated by on offset from UTC. UTC plus 530 time zone is IST Indian time zone. Scroll down this page for DB instance identifier. Enter the name of the target restore DB instance. Choose other options as you needed. The DB instance class default it is enabled DB M6G large. Choose burstable class, include T classes, then choose DB-T3 micro and scroll down this page and disable enable storage auto scaling. In the connectivity section for public access, choose yes. For existing VPC security group, you need to select your custom security group. In this demo, I am selecting default one. For additional configuration, for initial database name, you can enter the database name. For maintenance window, we want to enable the auto minor version upgrade and scroll on this page and choose restore to point in time. Now your database is creating in the Mumbai region. Now DB instance status is creating state. It will take us some time to creating the DB instance based on the instance class and the storage type and the DB instance size. It will take a time to create the DB instance. Now DB instance is changed from creating to available status. For stopping and deleting automated backup replication, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.